The advantage of this particular project was that we were able to remove all the roofing system first and put the 725 down, and that gave us an opportunity to tighten up the roof, and then we can come back and put the complete system down, being that it was a layer of 2.5, an 1/8 inch slope, and then 1/2 inch over that. We had more of an opportunity to get a quality job and less opportunities of any water infiltration during the project.
We decided to go with the FleeceBACK for this job because of the fact that it was a residence hall. Our students returned in mid to the end of August, so we knew we would be occupied while the roof was being installed. So the noise factor came into play, the odor factor came into play, and the fact that there's no odor with the installation on this, the fact that it's a quiet system for installation, all played major parts in this as well.
Typically, and we're on a college roof right now, the biggest complaint we'll get from anybody with inside the building is odor. And you will not get that with this. And noise, we refer to a project we did for a hospital, mechanically fastened into a concrete deck. We were getting shut down constantly because of the noise. If we had used the FleeceBACK system, we would have never got shut down.
One of the things that we like about FleeceBACK is the no-smell application, the increased puncture resistance. So when the owner has HVAC contractors on site, it's not a question of whether or not somebody put a hole in the roof. It's much more puncture resistant. They take advantage of our accidental puncture coverage as well.
We have a lot of rooftop systems for our HVAC equipment. So guys are going out in the wintertime, summertime, basically throughout the year. So the puncture resistance is truly something we take into account when we look at our roofing systems.
Fast 100 adhesive really provides excellent adhesion either to a concrete deck or to an existing single-ply membrane if it's an EPDM system, or an existing smooth surface built-up roofing system. It's really the best and only option we'd consider for those kinds of installations.
One of the benefits of FleeceBACK, the owner being sustainably minded, recognizes the difference between lowest install cost and life cycle cost. So with a focus on life cycle cost and a 30-year FleeceBACK roof, the owner actually can show that this is the least expensive roof to have over that time period.
They're telling me my roof is warranted for the next 30 years. That's a sense of comfort for the college, because we know if we have an issue, we get on the phone, we'll get the problem resolved.
Being an estimator, I have to be aware of a lot of the systems all the time, and I always have a place to go, whether it's Frank with CRS or Carlisle technicians or their inspectors. I get my answers, and it makes a big difference in my job, plus it makes a big difference for the guys in the field and the performance. We typically get 10s, we're Hall of Famers, and that has a lot to do with the technical support.